the kitchen table. And there's even a story of one gentleman who started to build one in his basement and then had to get some earth moving equipment. We're going to listen to the sounds of these radial engines as Ray and Matt fire up the Dakota. They're going to work their way out. And of course, for all of you down at Air Show Left, they'll be taxiing by. Be sure to give them a big wave.